Okay, so here's the situation. I need to insert an outlet somewhere either here or here or here or here. Now, this side of the wall, there's nothing on the other side of the wall. There's no outlets that I could tap into. In the back, on the other side of the wall, there's an outlet somewhere over there, and there's an outlet somewhere over there on the other side of the wall. In order to put an outlet over here, I'd have to make some holes in the other wall, through some studs. That's out of the question. If I go around the other side of the wall here, this is a closet, and there's an outlet. And this is approximately where I need the outlet on the other side. Now I could, to get from here to here, drill somehow through the studs that are here, that way, drill that way, and then make a whole bunch of holes and fish the line this way and this way. But what I decided to do was to use surface wiring, Wiremold. So I bought this stuff from Lowe's. Okay. This comes in 5-foot sections, Wiremold, and then it comes with instructions. And the instructions are pretty neat because they tell you all the different pieces that you need. Inside corners B7, I bought that. And I'm going straight across. So I need straight across, then I need the inside corner, and then I'm going to the wall over here. And so this comes with instructions also. And then on the outlet, this is an extender. Okay, so this goes on top of the existing outlet. And then I'm going to finish off here. And then this is going to be covered up. And then I'm going to go through the wall. And this is my corner. Okay. Some brackets. And some THHN wire, number 12 gauge, 20 amp, 12 gauge. That's what I have in this house on the outlet. And here it tells you, for the Wiremold, it tells you right here, it says 12 gauge, number of conductors, 12 gauge, 5. So I could have up to 5 conductors, and I only need 3. The black, the white, and the ground. And then on the other side of the wall, I'm going to put this new box along with a GFCI outlet. This wire, $12.61. Now I only got one. I've gotten 3 of these, black, white, and green for the ground, but I just got one because it's cheaper. $12.61 times 1 instead of times 3. So I'm going to use this. However, I'm going to mark it with some tape. I'm going to run 3 of these white wires, but then I'm going to wrap the black, the neutral, and the ground. So I'm going to mark all these up and save myself some money. This goes from this box that's going to have the cover on it, and it goes from here. This is going to go here, and then to the new box in the bathroom. I'm going to be using the regular Romex cable, and so this is the fitting to attach it to this box. And then for here, I don't need a fitting because it has these little things that you punch out, and then you just slide the wire inside. So somebody gave me this scrap piece that they have. This is 12.2 with the ground. Okay, so I marked with this stud finder so that's where the stud is, and so I want to be on this side, and so this is going on the other side this way. So I don't want these one behind the other because this has to come straight out and it's going to butt up against, it's going to interfere. So I want them staggered. So I know I want the one on the other side to be around 6 inches or so. So this one I'm going to put here. So this one that I'm going to put on the outlet here comes in 2 pieces, and so I'm going to fasten this to the existing box. It comes with 2 sets of screws. The short ones are to fasten this to the box, and then the long ones are to fasten here and here to there. So this goes to an old alarm system, which I'm not going to be using, but got to take that off. Oh, and there we go. Now's a good time to turn the power off. So I already made a mark here. So this is the center, that's where I want it to go. I guess that's close enough. Okay. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to use, see there's a couple of knockouts here. I'm going to use, instead of using the center one, because I'm going to be coming this way with the new wire so that they don't interfere with each other, they're going to come down here. This way I have a little leeway, you know. So I'm going to pop that out. Oh, that popped right out. Nice, huh? Okay. That's good. So now, I know what the center is. This is the center here, where I want to be. I'm going to make my hole here. There. This has to be able to fit through the other side. So, put a little bigger blade here. If it can go like this. So on the box itself, there's a perforation, and oh, that's not bad. See? There. Let's right over this. Let's over this like this. See? Let's right over it. There, and then the box. Box goes over like this. See? Nice. So this is one of those rare occasions where I get to wire this all up before it's on the wall. So centered. Look good? Okay, so now I'm going to put this through the box, through the wall. Okay, so I fished the wire through this opening and through the other opening, pulled it all through, and attached the outlet to the wall. So this side is all ready to go. So slight change of plans. I was measuring from the back wall out in this room and in the other room, the bathroom, to make all my measurements, and I did not realize that that other wall ends a foot is a foot shorter. In other words, the back wall. So I had to relocate this opening here. So much, you know, for having no holes. Anyway, I used the same sheetrock that came out of the opening. I put it back in, and that's that. There. All right. So now we're going to take this. All right. So now I got the box in. Don't forget you gotta ground this too. So now I take my measurement. This is gonna go this way, and I made my mark right here. So now I cut 3 lengths, which should be enough to go from here to here. I'm going to label them now. So I got my tape here, and I'm going to label both ends. Before I do anything, I label both ends. there it is. There's the finished product. And there it is, all set up for the cleanest you-know-what on the block.